What's up, it's here, Faye. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to attempt to try to do a week in my hair because I have to change my hair quite a few times this week. Today is actually Tuesday. I did wash my hair yesterday and straighten it because I had a shoot. I'm actually on my way to another shoot now and I needed to put some curls into it, so I just spent some time doing that. I do have clip-ins in my hair currently, but it's only giving me like an additional inch and then just some fullness. I'm also going to start my 21 days of juicing. I'm slowly going to inch into that this week, so I'm just incorporating my juice a day still, but by the end of the week I plan to just be only juicing and eating raw fruits and vegetables, like not cooked, for the next 21 days. I've done it before. It takes a whole lot of discipline, but I'm excited to just get my system all cleansed out. But let me finish getting dressed and then I head to my shoot. I'll take you guys with me up to a point, but I cannot have the camera with me, unfortunately. And then later this evening, I'll show you guys what I'm doing to my hair. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. I just finished my shoot with Kohl's. It was so fun, very easy, very quick. And now I'm going to go back to the burbs of Chicago and then take the train back to my side of town. So I'll see you guys in a little while. Alrighty, I just got back home. It's about 10 p.m. I'm exhausted, so I'm just gonna put my hair in a bonnet. I was gonna prep my curly hair and stuff for my shoot for Thursday, but I'm just gonna work on that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just gonna put a bonnet, go to sleep, and I will see you guys in the morning. What's up? Today is Wednesday. I ended up putting some random rods in my hair last night and I didn't feel like getting my camera out. But I put basically 2 in the front and then 2 on each side, and then I put a little random one here because I was missing a piece. But I wanted to wear my hair a little wavy again and didn't want to re-put heat on it. So I was just like, let me try this. This is the first time I've done this with my straight hair. Actually kind of cute. I'm surprised. I am going shopping today with my friend Debbie. I'm really excited. We are going to the Ghani sample sale, and then I have some test shoots tomorrow, Friday, and also Monday, so she's going to help me with styling for that. And when I did the rods, I just like rolled them up, and I'm just rolling them down. Yo, I'm actually really impressed. Also try to wear it half up, half down. Could wear a headband. That would be cute. Y'all, I don't know what to do with these. So I kind of wanted to wear my hair up for my shoot on Friday, and I think this actually gives me a good base. I don't know, guys, do I like this? I feel like it's still looking a little promy. Yeah, we're gonna make this work for today. This hair does not go with this fit, but we're just gonna make it work. Got my baby flat iron heated up. I'm gonna link all of the products that I use in the description box below. This is from Babyless, and you can use this overseas as well, which is why I bought it. But I'm just going to get the edges. I want to put edge control on my edges as well. So this is later that night. I ended up throwing on a U-part wig that I got from Amazon. I'll have it linked below. And my friend in New York ended up helping to cut it to frame it to my face. And I'm attempting to try to do a braid out. I got 4 braids on each side, but in the morning I'm going to take the braids out, and because I needed to braid my leave out with my hair is the reason why I'm keeping the wig on. Otherwise I would have just done this and then taken it off. But I have tried to braid my leave out by itself, and because I have such little leave out, the braid pattern was not matching the rest of the hair. So I'm just trying something different. Hopefully it works, but we'll figure out in the morning, and I'm gonna go get some rest. So I will see you guys tomorrow. So this is the next day. My hair was still a little wet, so I hit it with the blow dryer. I unraveled the braids, but I wanted to wait till I got on set to really separate them because I wanted to make sure I kept the definition. When I got on set, my hair was way better than I expected. My friend Debbie was there to help me with the fashion styling, and then I don't know if you guys remember the video I did with Ashley Mia, but she was the photographer. She is an incredible photographer here in Chicago. We shot at Wicker Park Studios, and I was going for an Urban Outfitters theme per request of my agency. This is the first time I've ever taken photos with my curly hair, and these are by far some of my favorite photos ever. I'll have Ashley's YouTube channel linked below. Make sure to subscribe and check her out. She has incredible content, especially if you're trying to get tips on photography, life, hair, fashion. She has such amazing tips. Just finished a shoot. It was amazing. Now, although I can get my hair curly, I ended up doing a V-part wig, but it's really a U-part wig. From Amazon, just to help me make it a little bit easier. I will say the wig is a little darker than my hair, but for photo purposes it works just fine. But yeah, this is the hair for today. I'm actually gonna take it off now because tomorrow I have another shoot, but I'm going to do an updo, and I'm going to do it with kind of straight hair, and I bought some braiding hair, so the makeup artist is going to help me with that. Oh gosh, okay. And I do have clip-ins in my hair. I need to prep for my shoot tomorrow, so I will see you guys in the morning. So this is the next morning. I'm actually at my friend's house getting my makeup done because the shoot is for my personal brand, and I wanted to do an updo, kind of 90s inspired look. So I came with my hair somewhat prepped for her, already up, and we added some braiding hair in the base of my bun to really give it more fullness, and then she covered my hair on top, so that way I can get this really beautiful bun. All right, what's up? Just got back home, just finished shooting. It was so fun. Actually, I'm shooting for this bag that I got made, and I'm about to do the video portion.
2 hours later.
We decided to just go ahead and shoot tomorrow because we're losing a lot of sun and he's still busy doing stuff. So it is 6:46. I'm going to wash my face, throw my hair in a bonnet, and I'm going to sleep. I am so tired and I cannot wait to go to bed. It's the next day and I am getting ready to do another quick shoot with my friend who's a videographer. I'm pretty much gonna shoot the same look that I shot yesterday, but with video. I'm just gonna do the hair and makeup a little bit different today because I did it myself. I did attempt to do the ombre lip, which I'm proud of. And I'm just gonna put my hair in a low bun, and then I cut a stocking. I'm gonna put it around my head as a headband because I don't have a black headband, but I'm still going for this 90s vibe. I got it as best I could. If I was working with a professional hairstylist, they would have got it a lot better, but this will do. This is my little stocking that I tied into a knot at the back. I just did a show for Fashion Week, and the designers used headbands, and the theme, it seemed to be like 80s, 90s hair and makeup. So that's why I was like, I want to add a headband to my look for today. So here is the hair. I missed a couple of days, I apologize, but I've just been wearing my hair literally in the bun for the past couple of days with the stocking cap on top. Sorry, I have the washer and dryer going, but I just got a last minute appointment for a sew-in, and I'm trying a new person for the first time because they're having a special. So I started boiling my weave, and I'm going to wash my hair real quick in the shower, and I'm getting a protective style in the morning. I'm going to use Moray conditioner and shampoo. Now I'm just going to wash my hair tonight and then let it air dry. I'll show you guys my curls when I get out the shower. Just got back in for my sew-in. Sew-in is so flat. She actually reached out to me on social media, so that's kind of how we connected. I didn't end up vlogging because I didn't know her, didn't know how the work would be, and just felt a little bit more comfortable waiting till afterwards to give you guys my thoughts. But if you're in Chicago, check her out. I'll have her info linked in the description box. Her prices are amazing. She also does wigs, she has bundles, she does braids. But I'm actually gonna end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry it's a little ghetto, but until the next time,